Ever wondered if AI holds the key to predicting breast cancer treatment outcomes? What if I told you it's not science fiction, but a reality? Can AI truly solve the puzzles of chemotherapy's effectiveness? Picture a world where AI dives into our bodies, decoding the intricate dance between cancer cells and chemo drugs with remarkable precision. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's happening before our eyes. Join us as we venture into the world of AI and medicine, where technology and human health meet in remarkable ways. Discover how AI is rewriting the rules of breast cancer treatment. Is the future knocking on our doors? Let's uncover the truth. AI, short for artificial intelligence, is about giving machines, especially computers, the ability to think and learn like humans, but not in a human-like way. Instead, it focuses on specific tasks. Some cool applications of AI includes expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. Additionally, AI systems process vast amounts of data, looking for patterns and connections to make predictions about the future. It's like teaching a chatbot to have lifelike conversations or training an image recognition tool to identify objects and pictures. AI programming revolves around four key cognitive skills: learning, reasoning, self-correction, and creativity, each playing a unique role in making AI systems smarter and more efficient. Now let's dive into the real-world impact of AI, especially in the field of medicine. AI algorithms have the incredible ability to sift through extensive medical data, identify patterns, and predict outcomes. This empowers healthcare professionals to personalize treatments, considering factors such as test results, genetics, and lifestyle choices. Moreover, AI take care of routine tasks, allowing healthcare providers to concentrate on more complex aspects of their work. Picture this scenario. AI can efficiently analyze medical tests, imaging, genetic information, and more significantly, enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of diagnosis. Some even speculate that AI might play a role in certain medical tasks, potentially giving doctors more quality time to spend with their patients. But AI doesn't stop at individual healthcare. It has also made significant contribution to public health. In the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic, AI played a crucial role in detecting outbreaks in advance, assessing patient risks, and prioritizing treatments and vaccinations. This is just one example of how AI is making a tangible impact on public health worldwide. Now, AI is also making a great impact in the world of medical technology. That's sure to make a real difference in the lives of breast cancer patients. So sit tight, because you're about to dive into the exciting world of AI and its role in breast cancer treatment. Imagine having the power to predict whether a woman with breast cancer could benefit from chemotherapy, even before surgery. Well, that's exactly what a group of engineers at the University of Waterloo has achieved, thanks to the wonder of AI technology. This incredible AI algorithm is part of the CancerNet initiative, led by the brilliant Dr. Alexander Wong. Its mission: to revolutionize the way we approach breast cancer treatment, making it more personalized and effective. Now, let's break this down in simple terms. Breast cancer treatment is not one size fits all. What works for one patient might not work for another. And here's where this AI superhero comes into play. Dr. Wong puts it perfectly when he says, determining the right treatment for a given breast cancer patient is very difficult right now, and we all know how critical it is to avoid unnecessary side effects, like those nasty ones caused by chemotherapy. So picture this. You walk into your doctor's office and they have this AI tool at their disposal. It analyzes your specific case and predicts whether you're likely to respond well to chemotherapy or if there's a better, more personalized treatment plan for you. It's like having a crystal ball for your treatment options. The beauty of this technology is that it doesn't just help doctors. It empowers patients. It gives the doctors the precision they need to prescribe the best treatment for an individual, improving the chances of recovery and survival. In a groundbreaking project led by Amitai, a graduate student with a vision and image processing lab. A cutting-edge AI software has been developed. Now imagine a world where breast cancer treatment can be tailored more precisely to each patient's needs, reducing the need for major surgeries like mastectomies. Well, it's not just a dream anymore, thanks to the incredible work of Amy Tai and her team. The AI software they've developed was trained using a new magnetic resonance imaging technique called synthetic correlated diffusion imaging, or CDI, pioneered by Wong and his team. This technique provides high-quality images of breast cancer, unlike anything we've seen before. But here's what it gets really exciting. The AI doesn't just stop at creating stunning images. It goes a step further. It uses its knowledge from CDI images of past breast cancer cases, along with information on their outcomes, to predict whether pre-operative chemotherapy would be beneficial for new patients based on their CDI images. Now, you might be wondering, what's pre-operative chemotherapy and what does it matter? Pre-operative chemotherapy is a treatment administered before surgery, and it has the potential to shrink tumors, making surgery easier and less invasive. This means fewer mastectomies and a better quality of life for patients. Dr. Wong, the director of the VIP Lab and a Canada Research Chair in Artificial Intelligence and Medical Imaging, expressed his optimism about this technology. He believes that deep learning AI can uncover patterns that helps determine the most suitable treatment for each patient. The result of this groundbreaking research were recently presented at the MedNeur IPS, a major international conference on AI in 2022. The paper titled Cancer Net BCA, Breast Cancer Pathologic Complete Response Prediction Using Volumetric Deep Radiomic Features from Synthetic Correlated Diffusion Imaging, is a significant step forward in the fight against breast cancer. But the good news doesn't stop there. The AI algorithm developed in this project, along with a comprehensive database of CDI images of breast cancer, is now available to the public through the CancerNet initiative. This means that researchers worldwide can access these resources and contribute to advancing the field of breast cancer treatment. Imagine a world where AI seamlessly enhances current medical operations, serving as 24/7 super smart assistant. The ongoing debate on AI's impact on healthcare won't hinder its growth and revolutionary potential. Envision a future where diseases can be predicted and prevented, akin to peering into a crystal ball for health insights. AI isn't just about predictions. It's about tailoring treatment to individual patients, like a skilled tailor crafting a bespoke suit. What's more, automation is a game changer as AI tackles mundane tasks, liberating physicians to dedicate more quality time to patients and even accommodate extra appointments. In essence, AI is reshaping the healthcare landscape with improved data, global commitment, predictive capabilities, personalized treatments, and streamlined tasks. So there you have it, the amazing world of AI, predicting how well breast cancer treatment might work. But wait, before you click away, here's a little puzzler for you. What do you think AI could discover next in the world of medicine? Could AI potentially revolutionize the way we diagnose diseases or personalize treatments? Are there other medical mysteries you'd like to see AI tackle in the future? Tell us your thought in the comments below. And make sure to give that like button a gentle tap and subscribe if you haven't already. Just remember, the future of medicine is full of surprises, and we're here to explore it together. Until our next video, keep those questions flowing, and let's continue exploring the hidden wonders of science and technology.